Good morning and welcome to Bumblebee Junction. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is a bright sunny day, but yeah, temps are coming down a little bit. So it is time to spend a little bit of fun time in the kitchen. And yeah, salsa. It is time to make some salsa. And if I know Mark, he's going to try to spice it up a bit. So hold on and let's get to it. Okay, we are going to start in on today's project. Yeah. Fresh tomatoes, peppers, jalapenos, and onions. That can only mean one thing: salsa. But these are the tomatoes that have turned ripe on the fried green tomato plant. Yeah, you can see these things are huge and they're wonderful. But I have sliced a few of them up on sandwiches, and yeah, I think they would make wonderful salsa. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this now. The peppers I'm just going to wash and dice up along with the jalapenos and the onions, and I have some cilantro too, and I will be bringing out the recipe card. But what I want to do is make a chunky salsa, except that I am going to go ahead and sauce these tomatoes. So I've got to get everything out, get everything prepped up, and I'll be back in a few minutes and explain just a little bit more. Okay, we're going to get this going. Now I will take a picture that Mark can put up. This is the same salsa recipe that we used before. Now when we did this one before, we did it chunky, and we also did one that was smooth. But this time, we're going to kind of meet in the middle. I made sauce out of all of those wonderful tomatoes that you saw. And this is 20 cups of sauce made from those big, beautiful tomatoes. And all of the peppers, I have 10 cups. I'm making a double batch. This is 10 cups of chopped peppers. This is also 10 cups of chopped onions from the front porch. And we are going to put some jalapenos in here. And I have 2 cups of diced up jalapenos from the garden. That already smells really good. Yeah. Okay, we're going to put in 2.5 cups of apple cider vinegar. We have 6 cloves of garlic. And I don't know if you caught it earlier, but yeah, I did cut my finger while I was cutting up the garlic. And anybody who's watched our channel knows that cilantro, the smell of it when I cut it makes me gag. So you saw Mark cut these up a little bit earlier. And something else special that we'll be adding in a little while. That is about 4 tablespoons of cilantro, and I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt. Now this is going to have to come to a full boil. So I'm going to just kind of leave it here for a few minutes and we'll be right back. Alright, these are Mark's devil peppers, and we are only going to put these in 2 jars. We're going to split them half and half. Notice I'm not touching them. But we are also going to mark them with white lids and different white rings and different lids. So yeah, those are special for him. And I'm going to stir this up really good. Make sure I get lots of vegetables and lots of good broth in there too. But I don't want to fill them way too high. We're only going for about a 1/2 inch head space on these, but these first 2 are special, and we're gonna drop those in. Get another one going here. You don't want to put all the liquid. Into too many jars and not all the vegetables into too many. So you want to stir it up good. But we are putting these into a water bath canner. And we can fit about 9 pints. Make sure you stir it really good before you pull up another scoop. I am filling these to about the 1/2 inch mark, which is right at the bottom of here. Let me get the 1/2 inch mark is right below the last band on the top. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with a bandage on my finger because I did cut myself when I was cutting the garlic, but it's all good. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. I think we'll probably get at least a double batch. But sometimes you get just a little bit more, but that's not a bad thing. Six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 9 in here. We're going to go ahead and bring this up to a nice rolling boil. And then we're going to clock it for about 15 minutes.
and then we'll be right back.
Okay, this is what we ended up with. We have 17 jars, and they look really, really good. And we have Mark's devil peppers back here in the back. Yeah, that's going to be really, really hot. But it was a good project for the day, and a very good use for extra tomatoes. Okay, so that's all the footage that I have for today. And yeah, I do really, really like to make salsa in the fall, and yeah, it helps take care of all of the last few tomatoes. And we do still have a little that are going to come off. A little something planned on the green tomato side of things, and maybe might get one more pressing out of the Roma tomatoes. But yeah, got some really good salsa going. Good on just about everything. But yeah, you know, Mark, he had to spice it up just a little bit. But yeah, those are for him, not for me. But anyway, I am going to go ahead and get on out of here. Try to catch my breath a little bit. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to ring that little bell. It'll let you know when we have some fun going on in the kitchen. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, anything at all in your mind, please leave them in the little box below. And if you enjoyed today's video as much as I did, please give it a thumbs up. But it is rounding down to the end of all the summer gardens. Now we do have some fall stuff going in still, but yeah, the tomatoes start to dwindle off about now, so it's always fun to take the last few of them and make a little bit of good salsa for the winter time. But yeah, I am going to go ahead and get on out of here. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me. Don't forget we love you, and we'll see you in the next one.